Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you how to get free VPN in Brave browser. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you want to get some free VPN that you could use inside your Brave browser here, well, there are a number of options that you could actually use here. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your Brave browser here, and you want to go to the top right of the screen, go and click on the three bar icon here, and you should see a bunch of settings. Now, look for the option that says extension. Once you see or hover over extensions, you want to go and just hover or click on the visit web store. Now, the thing with Brave here is it uses what we call the Chrome web store. Now, it's actually based on the Chromium, in this case, app. So, in this case, it works kind of similar to Google Chrome, but it's different. So, basically, it's just the basis of how extensions are managed here. So, the thing with this one is there are a lot of VPNs that you could use inside Brave here. So, in my case, you could just type in VPN and you'll be able to see a number of options here. But what I like using here is going to be the VPN. So, in this case, let's go and choose this one. So, VPN here, let's go and choose it. Click on Add to Brave. Let's go and click on Add Extension. And it will be added into our browser. Now, once it's actually added, as you can see, it's now being downloaded and it's now added in here. Now, what you need to do in order for you to start using it, just click on the extension button. You can go and click on the extension here for VPN. You should open up VPN in here and you just need to click on continue, click on start, and you can go and just click on the continue with free. And you can go and just click on anywhere that you could click here outside. Click on extension again, click on it again. As you can see, it's now available for use. Now, from here, you can go and just click on the servers. Now, there are a number of servers here that you could use. For example, Netherlands, France, Singapore, United Kingdom, and even the United States here, depending on your preference. Now, obviously, there are going to be a lot more, but those are going to be the paid ones. Now, since we are just aiming for a free one, you can go and choose one of the following servers. Let's, for example, let's go and choose UK. Click on the power button here to turn on our VPN. And once it's actually turned on, you could start using your browser as is, and you should be pretty much good to go. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.